Hi guys, this is Minakshi. Welcome to the second part of Dollhouse playset review video. Part 1 link is given above. Please go and watch that as well. In this part of the video, we are going to see how to place everything in the dollhouse and get it ready for the little ones. Let's start with pasting the stickers. Guys, if you have any questions related to this product, then please let me know in the comment section and I will surely come back to you. The door and windows needs to be fixed here, which is just a 2-minute job.
Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Lulu, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe. Skip to my
Hope the video was helpful, and in case you want to buy this product, then link is given in the description box. To watch more such videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.